First, open Snapchat on your mobile, and then tap on your profile image in the top left. This takes you to your profile page. Next, tap the gear icon in the upper right corner to open the Settings menu. Scroll down to the Privacy Control section and tap Contact Me. Choose My Friends, so that only people you've added as friends can contact you directly. If someone who's not your friend tries to snap you, you'll get a notification where you can decide whether to add them or not. Now, go back to the Privacy Control section and select View My Story. Choose My Friends again to ensure only your Snapchat friends can see your story posts. You can also create a custom list here if you want. Lastly, under the same Privacy Control section, select See Me in Quick Add. Toggle off Show Me in Quick Add to stop appearing in other users' quick add suggestions. And that's it. By following these steps, your Snapchat account is now more private. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up